Still staring at a blank screen? These 10 free AI websites can generate content ideas for you in seconds. Website 1, ChatGPT helps you generate video ideas, scripts, and outlines instantly from a simple prompt. Perfect when you don't know what to create next. Website 2, Copy.ai. Copy.ai creates marketing ideas, captions, and content angles in seconds, making brainstorming fast and effortless. Website 3, Writesonic. Writesonic generates structured YouTube ideas and long-form content concepts ready to turn into videos. Website 4, Rytr. Rytr is a lightweight AI writer that quickly produces multiple topic ideas without complicated setup. Website 5, AI Rytr. AI Rytr creates research-based content ideas, helping you find topics backed by real information. Website 6, ContentBot. ContentBot automates idea generation, giving you batches of content topics for consistent posting. Website 7, Scalenut. Scalenut discovers SEO-driven content ideas based on what people are actively searching online. Website 8, Frase. Frase analyzes top-ranking content and suggests topics that already perform well on search engines. Website 9, Peppertype. Peppertype generates creative headlines and fresh angles that make your content more clickable. Website 10, AnyWord. AnyWord predicts how well your content ideas might perform before you even publish them. Save this list for later and follow for more tools that make content creation easier.